The DR1 Group has always dreamed big. We have always aspired to go far, reaching for the clouds to find the courage to embrace the unknown. 10 years ago, we were born with the desire to specialize in innovation, striving for greatness through excellence. That's why we walked alongside the future while it was still in its infancy, becoming pioneers and growing into the largest drone solutions company in Brazil. With over 10 years of history, we have delivered cutting-edge technology through software and drone services to a wide range of sectors. Today, we are one of the only companies in the country and the world with ABS, DNV, GL, and BV certifications. We became leaders in offshore inspections and were globally certified by Shell Latin America. The DR1 Group takes pride in partnering with global strategic allies that enhance our ability to deliver innovative solutions. Among these are SeekOps, a world leader in gas emission detection technology, and NERTH Lab, specialized in autonomous drone inspection solutions for the wind energy market. These partnerships allow us to integrate cutting-edge technologies into our portfolio, reinforcing our commitment to delivering precise, efficient, and sustainable results to our clients. To make our story even more complete, in 2023, we partnered with the global Aerodyne Group, ranked #1 worldwide by Drone Industry Insights in 2021 and 2022. The Aerodyne Group was recognized as the Asia-Pacific UAV Services Company of 2019 by Frost & Sullivan and received the Industry Excellence Gold Award 2019 from the Institution of Engineering and Technology in Malaysia. The group, which offers drone-based solutions, is a pioneer in using artificial intelligence for large-scale data operations and processes. This collaboration has given us the opportunity to explore multiple sectors in the drone services market across Latin America. With more than 17,000 flights completed and a fleet of 40 drones, the DR1 Group has performed over 2,000 services for major companies in the oil and gas, mining, steel, and cement industries across Brazil. We are supported by 60 highly qualified employees and currently manage over 60 clients. With specialized service, we divide our operations into the following pillars. DT1 Drone Tech is essentially drones as a service, operating on demand throughout Latin America and Africa. We provide services such as area inspection, confined space inspection, subsea inspection, methane measurement, environmental monitoring, drone-in-a-box solutions, aerial surveying, thickness measurement, and cargo transportation. DT2 Data Tech is constantly innovating with software as a service, transforming raw data into insights that enhance strategic decision-making. This solution encompasses all technologies related to data collection, storage, processing, and analysis. We turn data into deep analyses and valuable insights using tools like big data, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. DT3 Digital Transformation is our third pillar, made possible through the synergy between drones and data. This provides an integrated view of the operational environment by adopting emerging technologies such as automation, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things, IoT, in daily operations. We transform processes, products, and services. This makes us more efficient, innovative, and improves our delivery of value to clients. In addition, we care about everything: the environment, society, and governance. For this reason, the DR1 Group has efficient ESG policies, including the conscious use of water and energy, wage and social equity policies, and the Circula certificate for proper electronic waste disposal. We support the Winter Clothing Campaign in July and the Mu Rio Grande do Sul project by Return Projects, which aims to transform the lives of rural youth in the state. We also care about our team. With years of industry experience, we offer unique learning opportunities through the DR1 Academy, combining theory and practice to train students into excellent drone pilots. Our course is taught by highly qualified and specialized professionals who are currently part of the DR1 Group. With over 10 hours of recorded content, we also offer live online theoretical classes from Monday to Friday. Additionally, we help you find the best solutions for your business with DR1 360. This exclusive consultancy helps you identify the ideal service for your project. At DR1 Group, we are committed to the future. Currently, as the leading drone solutions company in Brazil, we aim to go further, consistently offering innovative and efficient services. This is an invitation for you to dream big as well. The DR1 Group thanks you for being part of this story.